And then what advice do you have for just getting started entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs who are a little bit more scaled out and they're just pushing for that next level?
Man, just be consistent. Like, I think, right now, like on this podcast, I've talked a lot about, freedom and, traveling and stuff like that, but it wasn't always like that, man. I literally had to put my face down, like, to work every single day, all day. You know what I mean? And I think if you do that, you put in the work now, man, it definitely starts to pay off. You start to see that light at the end of the tunnel, like, damn, this was all the hard work, this was all worth it, so, don't go out with your friends, find new friends that are all, very consistent with working and, striving for goals. I think that's huge, finding the right people to hang around with. And yeah, like I said, man, just go to work, put your head down, and just grind, like grind every single day, every single chance that you can get. That way you can enjoy it later.
And then when you are starting out, keep that day job for a little bit, bud.
Keep that day job. For sure.
Thank you so much for tuning into this episode of the Winning Move Podcast. I hope it helps you make all the right moves in your life and business. Please make sure to go like and subscribe on any podcast platform that you're listening to, and make sure to go follow me on Instagram @StratDaddy. Thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you soon.